Hello everyone and welcome to Hazian Education World channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to copy a dictionary in Python. So let's get started. For some reason, you want to copy a dictionary. Maybe you want to do this to make changes to the copy without changing the original dictionary. Using the assignment method will not help, and we will see why. Let's create a dictionary dict1 and try to make a copy of it dict2 using assignment. So, for example, we have dict1. I will paste it here. This is our original dictionary, and we will try to create a copy using the assignment. So we will type dict2 equals dict1, and we press enter, and let's compare them, dict1 and dict2. They have exactly the same elements, but let's try to change or modify the second dictionary. For example, we will add a new element to the dict2. We give it a value, for example 11. This will add a new element to dict2. Okay, so if we check the dict2, we have a new element. But what about dict1? It is also changed. And why? Because both variables, dict1 and dict2, are referring to the same object. And you can check it using the id function. For example, if you want to compare the id of the first variable with the id of the second one, which is supposed to be the copy, it will give us true, which means that they have identical IDs. That is that they refer to only one object. So if we change one variable, it will change the previous variable dict1 because it will modify, and they share the same object. So to avoid this, we must use the copy method, which is also called shallow copy. There are different ways of getting a shallow copy of a dictionary. We will see all of them, and we will also understand why they are called shallow copy later in this tutorial. So let's delete the copy, the dict2, which was created using the assignment, and okay, we will use the delete function and try to create a copy. So now if we check dict2, it is not defined, it is not existing anymore. We have deleted it. So now what about dict1? It is still there. Now we try to create a copy using a different method, using a copy method. So dict2 will be created in this way. It will be a copy of dict1. So this is a method which will be applied to the dictionary class copy, and this will give a shallow copy of the original dictionary. So we type enter and we check our dictionary. So they are similar. Dict1 and dict2 are similar. So to confirm that this is really the copy we want, we need to do some change in the dict2. So this time we will remove the one element from dict2 using the pop method, we will remove the element which has the key D. We press enter and it will return to us the value. Now we check dict2, there is no more element D11. What about dict1? Dict1 is not changed, and in this way we have modified the copy without modifying the original dictionary. So this is what was expected from the copy. We can also get a shallow copy by using the dict built-in function. How we do this? Instead of using the copy method, we will use the built-in dict function. So we will create dict2 using this function, the dict built-in function, and the argument will be our original dictionary. We press enter. Let's check dict2, and this is also a shallow copy created from the original dict1. We can also use the copy function to have a shallow copy, and in order to use the copy function you need to import the module, the copy module first. So we will import the copy module. It's imported, and then we can use, so let's call it dict3. This is another copy. The module name copy and the function name is also called copy, and the argument will be dict1, the original dictionary. Let's check dict3. This is also a shallow copy. Let's see a last way to have a shallow copy. This time using the dictionary comprehension, which we have seen in the previous video. So for example, dict4 will be our copy created using dictionary comprehension. So curly braces, KV, for, you remember this structure from the dictionary comprehension, and we have KV in dict1, our original dictionary items. So this will create a new dictionary for all key and values which are in the original dictionary. We press enter and we check dict4, and this is also a shallow copy of the dict1. Okay, so but what if we have a nested dictionary? First, what is a nested dictionary? Let's create a nested dictionary from dict1. So dict1 is not a nested dictionary. To make a nested dictionary, we will make a small change. We will change the first element. For example, A. We change the value of the key A. So before, the value of the key A was 5, an integer. Now it will be a dictionary. So for example, this dictionary containing other elements, for example T4 and U11. So this will change the value of the first item in our original dictionary. We press enter and we see the difference. So the value has changed, and now we have a nested dictionary. A nested dictionary should have some values which are having the type dictionary. So we will try to use the same method to copy, and we will see if it applies as well for the nested dictionaries. So let's use the same method. For example, copy. So dict2, we will create a copy from this new original dictionary, which is a nested dictionary, dict1 dot copy, and we press enter. Dict2, and they are similar. Now to confirm that it is a copy, the original one will not be modified. If we modify the copy, we will make a small change to our copy, dict2. What we will change? We will change the element inside the nested dictionary. For example, in this case we have the first item, which is having a dictionary as a value. So we'll change this one. So the first key is A, and we want to change the element inside the value of this first item. It will be, for example, we will change the value of the letter U, the key U. Now it is 11, we want to change it to 100. Okay, just to explain this, we want to change the value of the first item in the original dictionary. Why only the first item? Because for the second, third, and fourth item, for B, C, and D, there will be no problem. We have already seen this copy, the shallow copy worked perfectly in the previous examples. But we didn't see what will happen if we apply a modification in another dictionary inside our original dictionary. So for this reason, we want to change, okay, in the first square brackets, it's A. So this is the first key in dict1. In dict2. We are here. And then we go to the second key in the nested dictionary, and we don't choose T, we choose U. We will specify it here. So there's something miss, okay, like this. And we change the value. So instead of 11, we want to give it a value of 100. We press enter. And we check what will happen for our copy. So you see here, the value is changed. It is 100. But what about the original one? It is changed also. So we can conclude that shallow copy is not suitable for nested dictionaries or compound objects in general. In this case, we have to use another function of the copy module called deep copy. So let's delete again dictionary 2. We have recall back our function here, delete dict2, no more dict2, and this time we will create a copy using a different function called deep copy. It is a function of the copy module, so we have already imported the copy module. This is dict1, and we will create dict2 this time using not copy function from copy module, but deep copy function from the copy module, and as an argument we will type in dict1. We press enter and we check. This is dict2. They are similar. We will do the same. Okay, we will do a similar modification. We will change this time. It's 100. U is 100 in both dict2 and dict1. Let's change it to 500. Okay, dict2. Dict2 is changed, and dict1 is not changed. It's still having the old 100 value of U. Okay, just to explain, to give an explanation about the difference between the shallow copy and the deep copy. So the deep copy will copy the nested objects inside the object we want to copy. But the shallow copy will not copy the nested object. In fact, shallow copy will only copy the references of the original object. So, for example, dict2 will be a new object, but having inside the references of the original object and not the values themselves. So this is why if we modify the copy, it will not modify the original dictionary. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment and I will do my best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.